Hello, my name is Mike Martinez, and I am studying to become a history teacher in secondary education. While I do not have much experience yet as an educator, I have worked with children for many years as a coach. By spending time with these student athletes, I decided to focus my career on education so I could try to be a positive role model for teens that may not have a positive role model in their daily lives. What does it mean to be a culturally competent educator? To me, being a culturally competent educator means not only being aware of diverse cultures in the classroom, it also means learning and teaching about diversity, social justice, and the importance of equality and equity in the classroom while remaining unbiased and fair. This can be difficult for some, as implicit biases could be difficult to overcome, but it is a necessity in the classroom to promote courtesy and respect. I also believe being culturally competent not only means understanding diverse cultures, but also realizing each group may require unique interventions to help with their success. Based on the cultural competency continuum chart, I believe I am currently somewhere between Section 3, Cultural Denial Indifferent, and Section 4, Cultural Pre-Competence. As I do have some past experience working with diverse cultures while I was in the military, I also live in a small town that does not have many diverse cultures or heritages. This means that while I have not been exposed to handling many social justice issues, I have room to grow and become better in the cultural competency continuum chart by learning more about diversity and implementing it into my own mindset and methods of teaching others. For me, to earn my way into the next step and deepen my cultural competence, I will need to use self-reflection to understand my implicit biases that may be hindering my ability to progress. As I do not have experience working with many diverse cultures, my goal is to find ways to reach out of my community as a way to learn what struggles other people are currently living through and how I could incorporate my faith, morals, ethics into becoming a better educator. Based on NEA.org, some ideas that may be beneficial towards becoming culturally competent as an educator is showing value in diversity, being self-aware of other cultures' experiences and values, knowing how the dynamics of differences could affect cross-cultural communication, learning about each individual student's culture to provide better services to ensure their academic success, and adapting to diversity that is in the classroom and community. Another vital tool to help with cultural competency is to multiculturalize my lesson plan to include not only all cultures of students in my class, but also to teach about diverse cultures students will encounter in their lives. To have complete cultural inclusivity in my future classroom, I will need to ensure all students are not only treated equally to guarantee fair treatment is demonstrated, but I will also focus on demonstrating equity so all students receive the interventions needed to be successful. While many believe equality is all that is necessary in the classroom, equity is vital towards a culturally inclusive classroom because it ensures each person is given the resources needed instead of only equal resources to all students. One of my favorite parts of working with students is the opportunity to learn about each individual and the combined experiences that create their personality and culture. To me, learning about other cultures does not take away from my Christian beliefs or morals, but adds to it. By learning about diverse cultures and religions, I believe I am able to build my own knowledge of my faith while following Jesus and his teaching of the Golden Rule and treating others as I would like to be treated. Thank you.